Gammill with Nest Pretty. What is Nest Pretty? It's a concept. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. You can read all about it in the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. I am a life coach. I am a closet coach. I love to help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. So one tool I use for myself personally, and I encourage you to try it, is the edit. It really makes short work of curating a wardrobe you love. It's basically making decisions every day to be sure that you are dressed appropriately, you're showing up for yourself, you look your best, and you enjoy the process of getting dressed. So the edit is about asking yourself 3 questions about what you chose to wear today, how you decided to show up for yourself. And the questions are this: what worked, what didn't work, and how can I make it better? Those 3 questions help you to become aware of your clothing. So if something isn't making you feel 100% amazing, then you get to question why you're wearing it. I love to start with the question, what worked? Because it's training your brain to look for the positive, to look for the things that you love about yourself, your body, your clothes. That is an amazing practice. No one's going to do that for you. You have to do it yourself. And if it's hard for you, don't worry. It just takes practice. So what worked? When you're going throughout your day, you may notice your fabric and be like, oh, this fabric is perfect. Or it may be the fit. This feels amazing, the way it skims my body. Or it may be just the entire silhouette, the whole entire look. So just pay attention and ask yourself, what is working for me? The second question is, what didn't work? And that is an amazing question. I am gonna get really hot. Our air conditioner stopped working. So you're gonna watch me get hot. What didn't work? This question is so good to be aware, because you may go through your life and not be aware of the tugging that you're doing, or the readjusting that you're doing, or the uncomfortableness that you're enduring. Why are you tolerating that in your life? Great question. So if you're aware throughout the day, is something not working for me? You may notice, like sometimes I'm doing this if I didn't tighten my bra straps. So that is a gesture I don't want in my life, and just becoming aware reminds you to tighten things up, get things right and tight before you leave the house. Just an example. The third question is, how can I make it better? How can I make it better? Sometimes we may just throw on 2 pieces and be like, oh, that's enough. But asking yourself, how can I make it better, may inspire your imagination. Maybe to throw on a necklace, or some fun pairs of shoes, or something a little extra. So those are the 3 questions that I highly encourage you to ask every day. The result of doing that is a wardrobe that you love. It's a curation, it's a process, it's becoming aware. Oh, I hate that. Why am I wearing it? Let me get rid of it and move on to something I love and adore. So I'll just give you a little update real quick. Last week I talked about the shirt that had been gifted to me, and I decided to get the pants that go with, and they're pretty fantastic. So I personally, I'm gonna say it, I'm a little bit of a minimalist. I love clean lines. And whenever you can get a set that go together, it's the black that meets the black, it's the same black, then it just gives your eye a real soft look. There's no place to land. You don't have to worry about bumps and bulges. It's just all good. I love the pants. They are super duper comfortable. I wore them to travel, and it was amazing. Just amazing. Highly recommend. On that note, I am a closet coach. I help women in their closets, and that leads to helping people in their life. And that's that. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you ask yourself 3 questions. And like, you may be busy. You may have a family you're taking care of, and you may feel like, I don't have time to ask myself these 3 questions. Well, you deserve to ask yourself these 3 questions, because why not show up for yourself? I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.